Hello.
Welcome to Cosmic Cultivators. Today's a special day for us.
And for you.
And for all you viewers as well. Our Georgia candy roaster squash, we believe are ready. We've done our research. We've seen that people are harvesting them while stem's green. Ours are kind of rotting off. You'll see what we're talking about.
Not only are we harvesting them because we think they're ripe, but this plant is causing so much bug pressure in the rest of the bed. And you'll see when Chris moves this hammock right here, this one in the front, you're going to see nothing but squash bug nymphs come out of it.
Not only is the candy roaster squash comfortable in the bed, the bugs are too. So it's about time we evict the residents of this. And it's also going to open up, well, you'll see everything that it opens up for the rest of the plants in here. So let's go ahead and get started. So you'll see what we're talking about right there. Yep, that's one of them. And they're hiding inside the candy roaster hammock. So we are going to go ahead and harvest this. Gina is going to make the cut. No, on the plant.
They're all over this thing.
Yeah.
Including the stem. And yeah, you're right, they are starting to eat it. Hold on a sec. Can't really get the...
Am I going to have to do it on this side?
Oops, I cut the wire, I think.
Oh, there it is.
Ooh. Holy shit.
And here's another one. Maybe. Our baby one. So the hammocks worked very well on this project. Definitely recommend hammocks when you're a vertical gardener. Much better now. So we were able to extract the 4 candy roaster squash that we had planted in Shipwrecked. That's some interesting fungus going on there. Growing on one of our watermelons as well.
Weird.
Yeah, that's some weird stuff right there. But anyway, candy roaster squash. We just wanted to show you how this cleaned up a little bit and what we exposed to now flourish. We have tomato plants here. They're the magical blend mix, which means there's a variety of different tomatoes.
Owens.
Yes, it is. Some of them, yep, they still have some blossom end rot, but once we get through the blossom end rot, this is what's happening, everybody. Tomatoes are coming on excellent over here. Now they'll be able to thrive and climb right up this trellis and hopefully give us lots of tomatoes for the rest of the season. So here it is, our 2022 candy roaster harvest. We're going to get some weights in for you, but we wanted to just show the beauty of these, and it's exactly why we grew them, because it has that cosmic look to them, really.
I grew them because they replace many other varieties. They could be used like butternut, and they can also be used for the same recipes that you would also use pumpkins. So sweet potato pie, pumpkin pie, they can all be made with candy roasters. And last year we had an abundance of butternut squash. This year my one butternut plant is not doing so hot. So these guys will save one for our Thanksgiving dinner.